In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket in Trailhead using Salesforce. You'll find this video especially useful if you're a Salesforce user looking to enhance your customer support process through this platform. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start by heading over to Trailhead, which is affectionately known as the fun way to learn Salesforce. If you haven't been there before, it's a wonderful resource filled with modules that make understanding Salesforce not just educational, but also enjoyable. Once you're with me on the Trailhead homepage, look for the section labeled Support. This is where we'll begin our journey into creating a support ticket. Once you find the Support section, go ahead and click on it. This is a gateway that leads you to many helpful resources within Salesforce. You'll notice there's a feature here called Help and Documentation. As its name suggests, it's a hub where you can find a plethora of documentation and guides specifically aimed at helping you troubleshoot or learn more about the Salesforce platform. But why is this important? Well, understanding where to find help documentation is crucial in case you ever get stuck or need more comprehensive guidance beyond today's tutorial. It's always comforting to know that such resources are just a click away. Now that you are at the Help section, our next step is to click on the Help and Documentation link to dig a little deeper. Doing this will take you through to a dedicated area where all the documentation resides. Make sure to take your time exploring here when you have a moment, as it's packed with useful information that you may find handy. Next, you'll need to input a message in the message box provided. This step signifies the creation of your support ticket. It might open up a new window or tab, which is perfectly normal. And what's really exciting about this step is that it connects you directly with a live support agent from Salesforce. Here you can explain whatever issues or questions you have, and you will get real-time assistance to help solve your problem. Be sure to provide as much context and detail in your message to get the best support possible. Remember, using Trailhead and Salesforce for creating and managing support tickets ensures not just ease, but also enhances your interaction with the Salesforce ecosystem. It's all about making your Salesforce experience as smooth as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a support ticket using Trailhead and Salesforce. I hope you find these steps easy to follow and helpful. Be sure to explore more features within Trailhead to continually grow your Salesforce skills. Thank you for joining me today, and happy learning.